Hello parents, good morning. This is Dr. Sagrika Roy Bhatia, the author of the book Just Expressions, available on Amazon. Well, a viewer asked me a question, that is, how early is it that we can set a child to be independent? We can set a child free to be completely independent on his own. So my answer to this question would be that let's learn from Mother Nature. When we see in our own surroundings, in the trees, when the mother bird has to give birth to a child, the father bird builds a nest. Then the mother bird sits in the nest, lays her eggs. Then the father bird goes and fetches food. And then after some few days, you see the little birdie out of the egg. And when the little birdie is out of the egg, the mother and father, they fly out, they get food. The little birdie opens its beak little bit, and the parents get food and put it inside the birdie's beak, and then they feed the birdie. And then when the birdie gets a little strength, when the wings are a little strong, the birdie set out from the nest, and the birdie hops from branch to branch and then comes back, doesn't fly very far because doesn't have the strength, but the parents are constantly monitoring whether any bird of prey is looking out for this little birdie to prey on, so the parents are very watchful. And then when the whole bird is really very well formed and is all set to fly, the birds let that birdie fly and they break the nest. They break the nest for the simple reason that the birdie doesn't again come back and is independent and flies on its own. So parents, this is what we learn from nature, but this is also for you all. You all are also doing it unconsciously. Let me tell you how. Initially when the child is born, the child has breastfeed. Then you wean the child of the mother's breast milk. Thereafter, when the child learns to eat on its own, you stop feeding the child learns to eat on its own. So what is it? It is independence. Then you walk the child to school. Then suddenly you stop walking the child to school. The child starts walking to school by himself or herself. That is again independence. Then you teach your child, and after some time the child learns on his own. That is again independence. And then when the child starts moving out, you stop accompanying the child starts taking public transport, can move by bus, can move by auto on his own. That is again independence. But at the same time, you as parents are being very, very, very vigilant, extremely vigilant. So this is all you need to do, parents. Set children free. Let them just do things on their own. They will fall, but help them rise. They will always fall, and falling is learning. There is nothing negative about falling. Falling is learning, but be the pillar of strength behind them so that they don't fear falling. They shouldn't fear falling. They should learn to explore more, and let that be the stepping stone for adulthood. And of course, we all have to be independent. So please don't hold back your children. Leave the bondage. Leave the bondage. A human being is here to be free. We are all here to be free. So just leave them and let them fly. Let them just fly. But be there after them. So that's happy parenting for you all. I hope I could make my point to the viewer who had the question for me. And I look forward to more viewers asking me such questions. And I'm happy to answer them on my Sunday tete-a-tete with you all. Happy parenting. Enjoy your Sunday, and happy Holi to you all. Stay blessed.